Skin activated. The Decepticons must be stopped.
Ayan, our last group for Cluster 4.
Tarlac National High School.
Annex.
Yes, at ang kanilang advisor, si Miss Jennifer Canal.
Okay, ladies. Ano naman po masasabi? Mga estudyante.
Una, I want to thank my choreographer, Mr. Rafi. And I also want to thank all the Tarlaceños here. And for my dancers, I congratulate you for a job well done. I am proud of you. Our school, Tarlac National High School Annex, is proud of you. And of course, Tarlac is proud of us.
Tama!
Thank you so much.
Ano naman ang masasabi ng ating Papa John? Papa John.
Okay. Carla, alam nyo, kayo yung huli-huli nag-perform, pero yung energy, sustain nyo pa rin, andun pa rin. Maganda yung choreography, and naaliw ako rin sa robot. Okay? Okay. Okay. At dahil dyan, ito ang score nyo.
Ayan, lumabas.
Thank you so much.
Next judge? Judge Carlo.
Yes, gusto ko sa grupong ito, walang tentative sa kanila. Everybody knew what they were doing from the beginning to end. And I like the fact that they were very youthful, vibrant, bagets na bagets ang dating ninyo. Congrats!
Amazing! Wonderful!